In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the country location in your Udemy account. This tutorial aims to help you smoothly transition your account details, specifically your country or currency settings, to reflect your current location accurately. Whether you've recently moved or are temporarily residing in a new country, adjusting these settings will ensure your account aligns with your present circumstances. First things first, you'll need to log into your Udemy account. Make sure you're connected to a secure and stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during this process. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your focus to Udemy's Comprehensive Help Center. The Help Center is your go-to resource for resolving various account-related issues, including changing your account's country details. Navigate to the Help Center by selecting the Support option, which you can typically find at the bottom of the page. It provides a wide range of guidance and support articles, but in this case, you'll want to use the Direct Contact Us option. This is the best way to reach out to Udemy's support team for personalized assistance. When you click on Contact Us, you'll have the opportunity to explain your situation. Be clear and concise in your message. Start by stating that you've recently moved to a new country, or that your current residence differs from the country on your account when it was first created. It's important to communicate this information transparently so the support team understands your need to update your country and, if necessary, your currency settings as well. At this stage, Udemy support might request additional information to process your request. This could include providing proof of residence or other relevant documentation to verify your current location. Having these documents ready before you begin can expedite the process. Some common forms of proof include a government-issued ID, a recent utility bill, or other official paperwork that clearly states your new address. Gather these documents and be prepared to upload them if requested so that you can provide confirmation swiftly. Now comes the waiting part. After you've submitted your request along with any necessary documents, Udemy support will review your information. They may need some time to go through the details and make the required updates. It's important to be patient during this stage, though the support team is usually quite efficient. Rest assured that they'll contact you to inform you whether your country and currency details can be updated. Keep an eye on your email for any correspondence from support and be ready to respond if they need further clarification. By following these detailed steps, you're ensuring a seamless update to your account, reflecting your current living situation. Once updated, you can enjoy a more tailored experience on Udemy with currency and available courses relevant to your new location. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful in updating your Udemy account.